Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina and I'm a programmer for the People's Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading Winter is for Snow by Robert Newbecker, published by Disney Hyperion Books and copyright 2013 by Robert Newbecker. Winter is for snow. No. Winter is for wonderful. Winter is for snow. Winter is for cold and damp. It must be 10 below. Winter is for fat snowflakes, swirling as they blow, glittering like diamond dust. Winter is for snow. Winter? I say no. Beep, beep. Winter is for crystal trees that sparkle in the light. Winter is for silent streets beneath a cloak of white. Winter is for excellent. Come out and play with me. Winter is to stay inside. Please just let me be. Winter is for snowmen. Winter is for chums. Winter is for colored lights and holidays to come. Winter is for fabulous. Winter is for snow. Winter is for lots of clothes. And I don't want to go. Winter is for snowball fights, for sledding down the hills. Winter is for skating rings and speedy, chilly thrills. Winter is for dazzling. Winter is for snow. Winter is for it's too cold. I'd rather watch a show. Winter is for mountainsides, layered all in white, for skis and boards and going fast and zooming off in flight. Winter is adventurous. Winter is for snow. That sounds really dangerous. I'll stay here down below. Winter is for mushing dogs across the Arctic ice. And if you meet a polar bear, you'd best, of course, be nice. Winter is for glaciers with walruses and seals diving in the icy sea for scaly, fishy meals. Winter lasts all summer long, down where the south winds blow. Penguins play on frosty peaks, where brave explorers go. Winter is for all our friends, together in the park, with sleds and forts and winter fun. We'll frolic till it's dark. Winter is for all these things? Is it really so? Winter might not be so bad. Winter is for snow. Winter is for holidays and presents we will send. Winter is hot chocolate with family and friends. Winter is for snug and warm. Winter is for glow. Winter is for wonderful. Winter, I love snow. The end. And that was Winter is for Snow. All right, everybody, it is time for a sing along. We're going to be singing I'm a Little Snowman. Also, we're going to be using this little cotton ball snowman craft along with this song. And you can find a link to this craft down below. I'm a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf. Ooh, it's cold. I'm a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf. Ooh, it's cold. I'm a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf. Brr, it's cold. Very good job, everybody. Now you guys can click on the link below for this craft and make it, and then come back, and there's also a link to that song below, and then you can do it at home, sing along, and count how many buttons he has, and where he has eyes and his nose is, and that he has a hat and a scarf. And then, brr, it's so cold. All right. There's also an activity for a snowflake craft. So you can learn how to fold a square piece of paper and then trace your little snowflake design and cut it out and unfold it to make a nice large snowflake that you can use to decorate with this winter. All right, everybody, it is time for a rhyme. We're going to be doing 5 little snowmen. Can you count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Can you count backwards from 5? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Well, the lyrics are going to be 5 little snowmen standing in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so fine. Melt in the sunshine with a sigh. We'll see you next year. Bye bye. And then it'll be 4 little snowmen, and then 3 little snowmen, and then 2 little snowmen, and then 1 little snowman. Is everybody ready? Let's try this together. And if you don't feel like starting off with me right away, there's several verses to go through, so you can hop right in later. 5 little snowmen standing in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so fine. Melt in the sunshine with a sigh. We'll see you next year. Bye bye. 4 little snowmen standing in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, so fine. Melt in the sunshine with a sigh. We'll see you next year. Bye bye. 3 little snowmen standing in a line. 1, 2, 3, so fine. Melt in the sunshine with a sigh. We'll see you next year. Bye bye. 2 little snowmen standing in a line. 1, 2, so fine. Melt in the sunshine with a sigh. We'll see you next year. Bye bye. 1 little snowman standing in a line. 1, so fine. Melt in the sunshine with a sigh. We'll see you next year. Bye bye. Very good job, everybody. Excellent. There is a link to that rhyme in the description below. There is also a link to the snowflake craft that I showed you earlier. And also linked below is a Hoopla recommendation of It's Snowing by Amy Teo. All right, everybody, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!